Water defines civilizations. Where it flows, cities rise. Where it disappears, societies struggle. Today, Iran faces one of the most severe water crises in its modern history. And at the center of this crisis stands its capital, Tehran. Tehran is home to more than 10 million people. It sits on a high plateau, far from oceans, in a semi-arid climate. For decades, the city relied on mountain reservoirs, seasonal rivers, and underground aquifers. But climate change, overpopulation, and over-extraction have pushed these systems beyond their limits. The dams that once secured Tehran's water supply are shrinking. Sedimentation reduces storage capacity, evaporation steals water before it can be used. Every year, less water arrives and more disappears. So the question is no longer whether Tehran needs water. The question is how to bring it, sustainably, efficiently, and at scale. This is a conceptual hydrographic project designed to secure Tehran's future. The first solution is not importing water. It is protecting what already exists. Reservoirs must be restored, sediment removed. Evaporation is reduced using modern surface cover technologies. Every cubic meter saved is a cubic meter earned. Below Tehran lies another resource, groundwater. But aquifers are not infinite. Uncontrolled pumping causes land subsidence and permanent water loss. The solution is to monitor, set quotas, and perform artificial recharge during wet seasons. Seasonal rivers still flow, briefly. Instead of letting floodwater disappear, it can be captured. Urban streams can be reshaped into recharge corridors that store water underground for later use. Iran's water is unevenly distributed. Some regions receive more precipitation than others. A controlled interbasin transfer, using pipelines instead of open canals, can move water toward the capital while minimizing loss. Iran has access to the sea. Salt water can be transformed into fresh water. Large-scale desalination plants near the coast can supply the central plateau powered by solar and wind energy. Water used once need not be wasted. Advanced wastewater treatment plants can recycle wastewater for industrial use, irrigation, and urban cooling, reducing pressure on drinking water supplies. Technology alone cannot solve water scarcity. Governance matters. Smart pricing, public awareness, and agricultural efficiency determine whether water systems survive or fail. This project unfolds in phases. First, studies and planning. Second, infrastructure repair and pilots. Third, expansion and long-term resilience. Water security is built step by step, not overnight. Success is measurable. Lower groundwater depletion, reduced network losses, higher recycled water use, a city no longer living on borrowed time. Water is not just a resource, it is a system. By combining engineering, geography, and governance, Tehran can move from crisis to control and from survival to sustainability. The city's future depends on choices made today. If you want to understand how geography shapes power, cities, and survival, subscribe for the next episode, because the next crisis will not wait.